Hi everyone and welcome back to my channel. For today's vlog, I'm going to share you my experience, actually our experience here in Malaysia. This is going to be our first official international trip this year and kasama ko yung mga kaklase ko ng college, my friends. Hopefully this is going to be an amazing experience for every one of us. Actually, hindi ko na na-film yung nangyari yesterday from pag-alis pa lang sa Philippines, the airport process. Hanggang sa makarating kami dito sa Airbnb namin sa Kuala Lumpur. But I think the process went well. The average immigration office process parang 2 minutes lang and majority of us is 1 minute lang yung naging interaction namin with the IO, and surprisingly sobrang naging mabilis siya, not what we expected to be. This is going to be our official day 1 here in Kuala Lumpur. So we're just going to film some videos and TikTok or Reels sa mga famous location dito sa Kuala Lumpur. And then, nandito kami ngayon sa Kampong Baro Nakastay. This is a settlement or village here in Kuala Lumpur. This is a protected settlement and new development is prohibited. And I think the neighborhood is good din based dun sa nakita namin yesterday or last night nung bumabiyahe kami dito. So yung biyahe namin from the airport up to dito sa Kampong Baro was 1 hour. So medyo malayo din tayo sa airport. So yeah, hopefully mag-enjoy kayo dito sa series natin. It's going to be 3 episodes, Malaysia and Singapore trip. Yes, we're going to Kuala Lumpur, where we are right now, and then Malacca, and then after that, we're going to Singapore. We're going to have a short trip to Singapore. Yes, sana mag-enjoy kayo everyone, and hopefully, welcome din yung mga friends ko dito sa vlog. Thank you! Dito kami ngayon sa Suria KLCC Mall and we decided to eat dito sa Madam Kwan's. Well, Madam Kwan's is famous with their local dishes, cuisine, sa mga tourists and sa mga locals na dito. And most of us decided to order nasi lemak, which is dun kilala yung Madam Kwan. And then yung price ng mga food dito nag-range from 300 to 500 pesos per meal. So I think medyo pricey pero I think normal lang siya for local, especially for us na we're exploring their food. So I think good deal pa din. And wala silang service water dito, so we need to buy mineral water worth 6 Malaysian ringgit. So medyo pricey siya. So for our next trip siguro or itinerary, kailangan magdala kami ng mga flask namin or tumbler, which meron naman kami. Medyo maingay guys, so sorry, but yeah, we're gonna order na and then pakita namin sa inyo yung food later na kakainin namin. Then also guys, dito pala sa Madam Kwan's, contactless ordering sila. So you just need to scan this QR code and then ilalagay natin kung ano yung mga order natin. Okay, so ito yung food na in-order namin. Grabe, super busog. Sa look pa lang niya. This is the nasi lemak. Here's the lemon chicken. Starters. And banana turon char. Dito kami ngayon sa labas ng Petronas Twin Tower and magpi-film na talaga kami ng TikTok or ng Reels na nakita namin sa IG. And yeah, so far masarap pala yung food na nakain namin. And yep, let's just film and pupunta na kami later sa Merdeka Square. Guys, look! The Petronas! Thank you, Lord! Thank you, Lord!
No worries!
Hello! Welcome to Malaysia, everyone!
Malaysia, truly Asia.
Terima kasih!
안녕하세요.
Haba. Update guys! guys, we're going now to Merdeka Square. I'm with CL and Tiffany. And the rest of the squad, I think mag-grab sila papunta dun sa Merdeka Square. And kakatapos lang nila sa Aquaria kay LCC. So dun kami magkikita-kita nilang sa Merdeka Square. See you there! Alright, so after walking I think 30 minutes, we're already here sa Sultan Abdul Samad. This is newly renovated and famous din itong mosque na to. So yeah, let's just explore and kung ano makikita man natin dito. Time check, it's 7:44 and maliwanag pa. Diba, Ate Chuchi? So, papunta na kami ngayon sa Chinatown. Maglalakad lang kami. And then, mag-dinner na kami. Hi, Wafer! Hi, everyone! Ate Ian. Finally, natapos na kami sa TikTok namin. Actually, kaninang umaga pa dapat siya. Ngayon lang natapos. But yeah, we're going to Petaling na, Chinatown, to have our dinner. We're going to Chinatown. Petaling.
Oh my god,
Yeah.
good.
See you there.
Tabak lang. 170. 10. Yes. Tara. Ano pa ba? 9:30.
Nice bar.
Kapatid ni Jackie. Edi wow, kapatid ni Edi wow. Hi!
We're out and about. We're gonna eat dinner na dito lang sa Chinatown area. And I think that's the end of for today's
Yeah, we're going to eat
trip.
first and then we're going home.
Yeah, then tomorrow we'll have our second day in Kuala Lumpur. And yeah, day 2, it's going to be our day 2 here in Malaysia. And ang agenda natin or itinerary natin today is pupunta tayo sa Batu Cave and then Genting Highlands for for a day tour. Tapos sa gabi naman, tatry natin mag-visit sa Central Market na malapit lang siya sa Chinatown. Actually, nagbili na kami kagabi ng mga pasalubong but we will still try to check some items dun sa Central Market. Then, yun. I think yun yung magiging itinerary namin for today. And look at our view. It's the Twin Tower. Medyo maingay kasi nandito ako sa terrace namin. See you guys! Sana mag-enjoy kayo sa araw na to. Hi guys, good morning you all.
Hi.
How's Malaysia so far?
So tired.
So tired, but you're enjoying.
So far.
Nagsasakitan ng tiyan nila. Ayun na mga balik sa inyo. Mga ugali kasi kayo.
Pagkatapos mo gamitin yung toothbrush ko, may gana ka magganyan. May balik yan, Paul.
Hindi ko ginamit.
I doubt, love. Basta yung toothbrush ko ay may...
Nag-share po sila ng toothbrush.
No!
The first indirect love.
No! I mean, namali ako ng dampot kanina ng toothbrush because it's color blue. Eh, yung sa akin din. So, I think it's a muscle memory. Kaya nadampot ko siya.
No! Hindi talaga ganon.
I'm guilty.
Kambal, may balik talaga yan, ha? Sinasabi ko sa'yo.
Ako sa balik.
They wanna
Oh,
say
you're
hi.
vlogging.
Yeah.
Oh, you're a good vlogger. All right.
Hi guys, I'm with Balan.
Hi, I'm Balan from Malaysia. Nice to meet Mr. Ian from Philippines.
Yeah, so we're going to...
We are going to Genting Highland. It's going to be very exciting, and there's a lot of beautiful places to visit. Yeah. All right.
Thank you, Balan.
Thank you, Ian.
Batu Cave will give you 1 hour for you to explore. Yeah? For your information, Batu Cave is one of the oldest formation of limestone cave, which has formed naturally 400 million years ago. Yeah? Such an old cave, we are still painting it and keeping it very beautifully. And these caves are located on the hill, and from the hill, the wall of the cave has raised another 100 meter, and it form a closed chamber for 2 kilometer in size. Yeah? The size of
Made it 200 steps. Then another 50 steps for the temple. Thank you, Lord.
Okay, we are reaching the local product market. As I mentioned in the earlier,
First one is a white coffee, second one is chocolate, and tenth one is the tea. Yeah. So as I mentioned, all the coffee, tea, and chocolate are pre-mixed in a sachet and it's ready to drink. Yeah. So now you can try the sample cup one by one. Yeah. The first one is white coffee. Second.
Kalasa nung sa Vietnam. Nakapag-try ako nito before, kalasa nung sa Vietnam. I think that's the salted coffee. This one is good. For cable car. sa Napit, dito namin napili kumain sa Rich Coffee Yum. I'm with si Ellen at Ian and the rest of the squad is, I think, dun sila sa burger, fries, ganun. So, this is a Malaysian local restaurant and magta-try ulit kami ng like lasa lemak just to compare yung lasa niya from Madam Kwan's. So, this one, I think masasarap naman yung food dito, especially yung in-order ko din. Kasi sabi dun sa details niya, nanalo daw siya before sa MasterChef UK 2014. So, the expectation now is so high. Let's see later kung gaano siya kasarap. Naka-video yan. Dahil wala kaming video ng food namin. Tapos na.
Nagdadasal ako dito ng buto ng...
But the food is good, right, guys?
Hindi dito.
All good. So, approve siya, guys. You should try here sa Rich Kapapyam. Kapapyam pala. Rich Kapapyam. And we're back! Andito na kami sa Kuala Lumpur ulit. Hi guys! So papunta na kami ngayon sa Central Market and we're currently here sa Chinatown. Hindi na ako masyado nakapag-film kanina but we just had a stop sa what do you call that one? Outlet? Yeah, yung mga shop.
Genting High Premium Outlet.
Yeah, sa Genting High. Then yeah, we're just going to continue our pamimili here. Okay, so nandito kami ngayon sa Central Market and nakita namin itong isang store na Malaysian Authentic Cookies and Snack. Mura lang dito ay nagbigay siya ng discount. Okay, nakabili na ang mga person na pasalubong. Nakakabudol dito I love it. Good morning all, it's our day 3 here in Kuala Lumpur and this is my solo time. I'm going to a coffee shop near sa Petronas Tower and no agenda this morning, just want to get some coffee and later magbabiyahe naman kami punta ng Malacca. So siguro I'll just get some video clips dito sa tapat ng Petronas Tower. Malapit lang naman siya sa Airbnb namin. Then after that, babalik na ako sa Airbnb dahil 12:30 yung biyahe namin pa Malacca. So, see you later sa coffee shop. Alright, if nakarating ka sa part ito ng video, thank you so much guys for watching this vlog. This is going to be the end of Kuala Lumpur tour but hindi pa tapos yung travel natin because after Kuala Lumpur, we're going to Malacca. So that's going to be another vlog. And after that, meron pa tayong Singapore trip. So sabi ko nga, it's going to be a 3-episode vlog, Malaysia, Singapore. So wait lang kayo and sana nag-enjoy kayo sa Kuala Lumpur travel namin because we had so much fun. And thank you so much Kuala Lumpur, you are so beautiful.